Misolant MI 300 or 039 is a stool chair that you could sit on for a desk nook that you could sit by. This chair may be right for you. We're going to demonstrate how to build one, show you what it looks like and what it's all about. Parts to put your chair together, different models and makes of the chair, the base and casters, the stool footrest, the arms, the back, the large base, the cylinder shaft that you sit on, the caster feet that you're going to assemble one at a time, like so. With parts H, G, I, P, and N, you're going to take the caster bar and you're going to look at the angle and the wheels, and you're going to match up hole for hole. Go over the plastic, make sure everything lines up. Grab one of the ends and start to place on. Get it in the hole, screw in with the tool, right angle, tighten down. With the caster wheel, simply place over the hole, push in, repeat for the other four. With E, slide in. With F, carefully look for the way it goes. Slide over, open up a little, force down. Adjust to the height you want. Lock in. With A, C, M, and P, C there is a left and a right. You're going to grab the bolts, place into the hole, place into the back of the sockets. With the right angle tool, start to tighten down. Repeat for the other side by turning around and start to tighten down. All done, you have cap. They're known as O, B, C, P, and L, which are the bolts. Align up the base and the chair, as you can see, by turning upside down. The holes here. Slide on and put each bolt in. Lock down. B, D, P, and K, which are screws. P again is your tool. You want to correctly line up the holes. You want to make sure front says front. This is the front. Put a bolt and start to tighten up and then lock down. You have some spare stuff left over, place to the side with your tool. Your chair is fully assembled. Grab your base, bring it in, turn upside down, and let me just show you that you have your lean and your tension. You're going to place on your chair to the center hole here to here. When you sit down, you may hear some clicking that's snapping into place. You could lower the chair and raise your chair by lifting. And this stands about 36 inches plus in height at its fullest length. It is a very soft and cushiony chair, leather-like, with arms. It's a very soft and cushiony chair. Check online for further detail about the material made. They make this in many sizes and models. It has arms that fold down stiffly that will hold into place. And you have the option to lean back some with the tension. And you can lock it into place so it doesn't lean back. I sit higher than my table. I release. Now I'm able to sit underneath my table, nice and comfortable, a little higher with the arms above the table for this Nook bar stool. It has nice large legs that I need to lower for my comfort. Down below, we loosen up the knob, we lower down to the bottom, and then I'm able to put my feet underneath stand up, adjust the height I want, and there I am, very comfortable in a stool chair. If you're looking for a stool chair, this chair may be right for you. I hope you enjoy your bar stool chair. Very comfortable, very nice in design. Cool back. I hope you enjoy your bar stool chair. Thank you for viewing.